Hello, my name is Stefan Kranitz with United Grinding, North America. Today we're going to look at how you can take your shop's quality assurance to the next level with this HELICHEK 3D measuring machine. This machine uses laser scanning technology to create a point cloud of your original part, in our case a drill bit with a PCD tip. As the laser points come into our tool analyzer software, they're being stitched together for a complete 3D point cloud model. You can then use the point cloud model to analyze geometrical data such as rake angles, clearance angles, core diameters, OD diameters, and many more. Or you can use the point cloud to check the entire integrity of your tool by overlaying your point cloud to the original 3D model. Our 3D matcher will show you a colored histogram of the differences. There are several other applications which you can use with your scanned point clouds. You can save them for later use, you can 3D print a copy, or you can import them into software packages like NX or AutoCAD. Our own tool analyzer software allows you to load the point cloud, or better, digital copy, at any time you might have to discuss your projects with your clients. The scan time for this example in this video is 2.5 minutes. Shorter scans will only take a minute or two. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or would like to learn more, find us at grinding.com.